Your subs, your match fee, so you get to keep wicket, you get to have a bowl, you get to captain.
Starts off with a long hop. Well, he got the bounce. Takes the gloves off, and he's actually going to be hit for his second consecutive four, so pressure on the Indian captain now. Gone! Brilliant! And look at him! Isn't he pleased?
Wow. What a great moment. What a magnificent moment for the captain. His teammates love it, he loves it, the crowd love it. Take the gloves off, it's amazing stuff, he can't believe it. Dowling has gone for 14, it's hit the deck hard, it might have just jagged back a little bit, let's have a look. Yes, it has, jagged back.